Hello class, today is Wednesday, August 18th. Let's start Unit 2, Math. Unit 2 for Math, all right? So on page 50, we're gonna start learning addition and subtraction. So addition is plus, subtraction is minus, all right? So addition is plus, we have brackets, we have carryover, and we have subtraction, which is minus. All right, most important is addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. All right, so let's start addition and subtraction. All right, so patterns in addition and subtraction. So here we see 6 plus 8 equals 14. 60 plus 80 equals 140. 600 plus 800 equals 1400. 6,000 plus 8,000, we get 14,000. 60,000 plus 80,000 equals 140,000. How many zeros do we have here? Right? We have only 1 and 1. So we only have 1 here. We have 2, 2, so we have 2 here. We have 3, 3, so we have 3 here. We have 4, 4, so we have 4 here. So we can use patterns to find out what is the answer for bigger numbers. So let's try this. So number 1, find each sum using patterns of addition. So what is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5, right? 5. What is 30 plus 20? 30 plus 20 is 50, right? We're just adding a 0. 300 plus 200, right? Again, we're going to say this is all 5s, right? This is all 5s. We can check this pattern. How many zeros here? We have just 2 zeros. So we're going to add 1, 2. How many do we have here? 3, 3. So we're going to add 3 zeros here. 1, 2, 3. And the last one, we have how many zeros? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? That's our pattern. We're adding a 0 every single time. So let's take a look. 5 plus 6 equals 11. All right, so each one of these is going to be 11, 11, 11, 11. How many zeros we have here? 1 and 1. So we're only going to write 1 0. How many zeros do we have here? 500, 600. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're going to write 2 zeros. 1, 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And last one we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we're going to write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 110,000. So that's what we're using. We're using patterns for addition. All right, so here we can try this. All right, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, we get 17. All right, 6 plus 4, we get 10. All right, so homework, you're going to try number 3, number 4. Okay, so again, let's take a look at number 2. Find each sum of A and use it to find each sum of B. All right, so knowing A, what do we know about B? A, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. How many zeros we have here? We have 1, 2, right? 1, 2. So we're going to add 2 zeros. 1, 2. Okay. Again, 7 plus 9 equals 16. All right, so we're going to write 16 here. How many zeros? We have 1, 2, 1, 2. Same again. We're going to add 1, 2. 700 plus 900 equals 900. 3. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12 over here. How many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to write 3 zeros again. 1, 2, 3. So we get 12,000. 8,000 plus 4,000 equals 12,000. All right, 1, 2, 3 zeros. All right, so I want you to try number 4, 5, 6, 7 for homework. All right, you're going to find each sum mentally. Again, 100 plus 600. All right, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, right? 1 plus 6. How many zeros we have? 1, 2. 2 zeros. 1, 2. All right. 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2. 4 plus 7. 8 plus 8. Right? Here we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. 2 plus 3 equals 5. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. All right, number 3, we have 5 plus 2, 7. How many zeros? We have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros, 7,000. Good. So I want you to practice this as well. 4, 5. Number 4 and 5 here. Awesome. All right, so now we have patterns in subtraction. Patterns in subtraction. How do we do patterns in subtraction? Right? What is 80,000 minus 50,000? 8 minus 5 equals 3. 80 minus 50 equals 30. 800 minus 500 equals 300. 8,000 minus 5,000 equals 3,000. 80,000 minus 50,000 equals 30,000. We have 1 0 here, so we're going to have 1 0 there. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 3 zeros, 3 zeros. 4 zeros, 4 zeros. Okay, so we must have the same amount of zeros. So 7 minus 5 equals 2. So now we know all these are 2, 2, 2 because it's all 7 minus 5. How many zeros we have here? Just 1. So we're going to write just 1 0. Here we have 2 zeros. We're going to add 1, 2. Here we have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 11 minus 8 is 3. How many zeros? Just 1, right? 3, 3, 3, 3. How many zeros? We have just 1. So we're going to write only 1 0. We have 1, 2, 2 0 0, 1, 2 zeros. 11,000. We have 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 110,000. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. All right. That's pretty good. All right. So, again, we have patterns here. All right. Number 3, 15 minus 7, we get 8. 13 minus 8, we get 5. So you're going to check how many zeros there are, and you're going to write in the rest. Okay, so homework is out, number 3 and number 4. All right, find each difference of A and use it to find each difference of B. Find each difference of A and use it to find each difference of B. A, 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5, right? So we're also going to write 5 here because it's 90 minus 40. How many zeros? We only have 1 and 1, so we're just going to write just only 1. 90 minus 40 equals 50, right? We'll have 1 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. So we're also going to write 5 here. How many zeros? We have 1, 2, right? We only have 1 here. So 2 minus 1 is only 1 0 left. We're going to write 0. Right? 13 minus 9 is 4. How many zeros we have? 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're going to write 4, and then we're going to write 2 zeros. 1, 2. Next one, 16 minus 7. We have 16 minus 7 equals 9. How many zeros? We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's the same. So we're going to write 9 and then 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 9,000. All right. So the rest, I want you to try yourself. Let me highlight it. Number 5, 6, 7. Number 3, find each difference mentally using your head. Right? 500 minus 200. All right. So 500 minus 200 is the same as 5 minus 2. 12 minus 6. 15 minus 9. 13 minus 8. 14 minus 7. Okay? So 500 minus 200. 500 minus 200. 5 minus 2, we get 3. How many zeros? We have 1, 2, right? 1, 2. 1,200 minus 600, we have 2 zeros. 12 minus 6, 6. We have 2 zeros. 1, 2. All right, so you're going to try the rest for homework as well. Number 3, 4, and 5. All right, so we're going to add multiple digits without carrying, right? So we don't need to carry, which means we're just going to add things up, okay? So here we have 1,321,547, 634,132, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 4 equals 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 6, 9, 1 plus 0, right? 1. Good. All right, so we're going to practice here. We're going to add everything up. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 3 plus 6 equals 9, right? So 9,599 if we do stacking. So also try number 2 and number 3 for homework. Right, we're just going to add simply. Okay, so again, last one I want you guys to do for homework. We're going to find each sum. Show your work. All right, so here we have 4,707,506 plus 5,201,382. We're going to stack it up, right? So we are going to do 400 4,707,506 plus 5,201,382. Add those up. 6 plus 2, we get 8. 0 plus 8, we get 8. 5 plus 3, we get 8. 7 plus 1, we get 8. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, we get 9. 4 plus 5, we get 9. So we end up getting 9,908,888. Right? That's how we add up. So, number 2, I want you to try for homework. Okay? So, let's try this together. Okay? For homework. All right. Next time, we'll do adding 3 numbers adding up. And we're going to try a lot more. Okay? So I want you to do that for homework. I'll write it down, what you need to do for homework. Should be pretty simple, addition and subtraction. We know addition and subtraction already. I just want you to practice. Okay? Good job today.